We are so excited to partner with Samsung for today's video.
All the photos we shoot today will be shot using the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 phone, and this entire video is also shot on the Note 9.
Even this.
Even this.
With the exception of some shopping footage.
As we hope you know by now, we're big advocates for not letting gear hold you back.
Some broad once said, the best camera is the one you have with you, and we think that he or she is right.
So today we're challenging each other in a few different ways.
1, we're choosing the model's outfit for the other photographer.
2, we're both choosing 2 locations for the other photographer to shoot at.
And 3, as we already mentioned, we're shooting all of these photos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9.
Get in, losers, we're going shopping. Just knowing Rachel, I bet she bought the overalls on this mannequin, so I think I'll go for something different. I knew you got overalls. I knew it. Nice. It's actually, okay. It's not too dissimilar from what I picked out for you, except I didn't do overalls because I knew you were going to do that. But I like it. This is going to be fun. All right, that's kind of cool. I like that. Hold that for a minute. Yeah. Actually, it looks really cool with the reflection. All right, let's come over to the corner. Kind of lean back on it and maybe drop your right shoulder a little bit. All right, do you remember that like scrouch we did in that one video where you kind of like lean your legs? Yeah, it's kind of low. We try that. I think I'll kind of step out into here. And you come out with me a little bit, maybe stop like right there, yeah. Can you take like one step forward with one foot? Yeah. All right, let's roll. All right, we are now at the second location that Rachel picked out for us, and I really like that we have some nice sunlight being reflected off some windows of the buildings here, so we can play with that, and I like the more rustic nature of everything, so let's see what we get. Okay, I need to adjust aperture. Nice. Can you like grab one arm with your other and then lean to your left there? Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Love that. Hold that, okay? Hold that. That's really good. Can you cross your arms a little bit in front of you? Or like cross them, like kind of drape them over each other. Over here.
Okay. Nice. No, that's a good outfit. I remember I almost got that shirt, that long sleeve one. I like it. I love the cords. Oh, yeah, we can play with the jacket. That'll be good. Okay, so for the first location that Daniel chose, he chose this quiet street in the Arts District, which is very nice. Right behind us, there's some lovely golden light, and across the way, there's some foliage that we can use, some ivy. There's a nice gray wall that might work for us, so I'm excited to try it out. Go ahead and like walk towards me. I kind of like composing in here, getting the frame, and then clicking this separately. So it feels more like a DSLR than a phone. Okay, I love that over the shoulder thing. Can you actually go like a little bit more towards the wall and more over the shoulder towards me? I love that. Okay, you can flip around and maybe play with the jacket more. Yeah. Okay, wanna go across the street? Okay, let's do this greenery over here. Maybe we can do a weird one. Lord knows I love a weird one. This is weird, but like a lemmy shot, just your arms and legs like that. For this one, I want to change the aperture because he's a little too underexposed. So tap right there. Brighten it up a little bit. So you push the ISO smidgen. Have you sit right here and then just stick your legs out right here like that. Can we stick you in here somewhere, kind of like hide your, kind of just like get buried in here. Okay. Kind of like you're like, it's like growing. There, that's good. Okay. Okay, so right now it's 4:03, so I lucked out and I get the pretty golden light. Sorry, Daniel. Oh man, that's so good. Can I get some movement? Maybe like going back and forth a little bit. Maybe we'll kick your leg out at all. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cool.
We hope this inspires you to get as creative as possible with the gear that you do have.
After editing these photos, we're super impressed with the way that they turned out.
Yeah, when we were editing, it was really easy to forget that we were actually working with mobile phone photos because the raw DNGs looked that good.
Thanks again to Samsung for making this happen, and to see more videos made with the Galaxy Note 9, click the link in the description.
Happy holidays, you goofs.
Like and subscribe and ring our little bell.
See you next year.